Hello everyone. Stuck in basic electronics? Don't worry. Mastering circuits and diodes becomes much easier when your concepts are clear and your doubts are properly addressed. Start with the fundamentals. Understand circuit concepts clearly from the basics and build a strong foundation for your BEEE and electronics preparation. Learn diode concepts, characteristics, forward and reverse bias, and their practical applications in a simple and easy to understand way. And it's not just about understanding concepts. Practice important circuits, formulas, and numerical problems to strengthen your problem solving skills and build confidence. At GATE IIT, get focused guidance and personal attention to clear your doubts, understand difficult topics, and learn basic electronics with confidence. So don't let basic electronics hold you back. Learn smarter, practice better, and move closer to your academic goals with GATE IIT. Thank you for watching this video and follow our channel for more such updates.